All right, Carlos Wilder.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carlos Romeo Wilder Jr. This is ticket SP 1428097. Count one, reckless driving. Count two, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P. 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Carlos Romero
Alex.
Senior.
You're senior?
I'm senior.
Okay.
You're senior. Okay.
He,
So they
he
just
never
did it
got
wrong
these.
on the ticket. Mm-hmm.
Not
They had the right
necessarily, Your
license
Honor.
number.
They did wrong
Well,
on
it's
the
his
whole.
right date of birth because he was born in 1982 and his son was born in 2001. Am I correct?
Yes.
I have both of the tickets there in the file. We'll talk about that afterwards. So this is his ticket, though. I know it says junior, but it has his license on it.
Right. And should
Well, Your Honor, he's pleading not guilty because he says he never got those tickets and someone used his name. And we thought
His-
maybe it was his son, but maybe not.
did someone
Okay.
use my name? I never got pulled over or anything. So
Okay. I was about to say, so what we do is we do have trials so that the officer can see you and see if it's really you or not, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
Your
All
Honor,
right,
in the
please raise your
meantime,
right-
oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Oh, it's okay.
No,
All right,
I
so
was
please
just-
raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you are requesting a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on March 5th. But in the interim, you do have to come down here and get fingerprinted because of the type of ticket it is.
Okay. I'm also under oh no, that's February 5th. Okay. Yes, I can do it. I was saying
Okay.
I had a hearing date. I'm under the Project Clean Slate.
Okay.
And it's February 5th though. But okay.
February 5th. This one is March 5th, but before then and now, if you're going to be down here on February 5th in the Detroit area, that might be a good day to come over here and get the fingerprints done so that we can make sure we have that on file, okay?
Okay. I just recently been down there and did fingerprints. Does that count, or can y'all pull that file
I
or
don't know.
get a new set? Yeah.
I have no clue. I'm going to be real honest. What used to happen apparently is when you got arrested. I know that sucks, but what used to happen pre-COVID is when you got arrested for reckless driving, they would take you in and have fingerprints put into the system. Since COVID, they stopped doing that. They just give out the ticket and then they want the courts now to figure it out. So I have no clue where these go. And I know that's terrible, but I just don't. And so I don't know if they connect or if they put it together or what. I just been told that y'all got to come down here and get fingerprints. And I'm good at following directions. So that's what I'm telling you, sir. So between now and then, you need to come do it and figure it out, okay?
I just go to the front desk in the 36 and just
Go to
say
the front desk. Yep, that
Okay.
you have a matter in courtroom 337. They'll come up here. We'll give you a paperwork to take down there, and they'll do it. It's real fast.
Your
Okay.
Honor,
Yes.
was his license suspended because of these tickets?
I'm pretty sure it was. I pulled his record. Let me see. Also, if you don't mind telling your child that he has a warrant out, that would be fantastic as well, Mr. Wilder. It was
for these tickets I have that y'all gave me. That's what I'm saying.
It is, that's 2017. When does this case take place?
Yeah.
Have you tried to pay your reinstatement fee?
Well, I didn't know I had a ticket until I got something in the mail, so I missed court, and it had Junior on there. Then a driver's license number. I'm like, hold on. So that's when kind of made a date, but I found out about it because I had to inform them that I received this, but any traffic violation, anything, I have to tell them right then. But I never had one, so I was when I presented them that, they laid me off, but I've been laid off like 3 weeks now.
Oh my God.
I ain't over.
So it got suspended, yes, because of this ticket, because he failed to appear, and then a warrant went in the system.
But it's not me. I was like, why is my license suspended?
Right, but if they use your driver's license number, which they did, that's why.
They should, like the officers.
And they may have. So the way that we are going to be able to remedy this, unfortunately, is with that bench trial when the officer comes in here and sees you. Like,
yeah,
that's probably, because that's what ended up happening. This ticket, because you failed to show up for the court. So we're going to put that you showed up for court and it's set for a new court. I know, Mr. Watt. Listen, I understand. All I'm saying is that this is the predicament we're in, right?
Right. Yes.
Is that whoever used it and you weren't notified, although not to put all your information out there, is the street address Drexler still?
Yes. We had the same
You should have got
address.
some notification. It would have been sent to your home though. That's where it was sent to.
Yeah, I seen the little cards. It had Junior on there. So
what? But then
but when
he got a whole different address though. His address is Charleston.
No, his address should be the same as mine, but so I don't know, like if they sent it from over. But when I got the other paper, I synced it and it had my driver's license number on. I said, hold on, wait a minute, and it said my license. Like I haven't even. I gotta have.
Huh?
Your Honor, if I may, for the record, Gia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 3471. If we adjourn, if he's going to get a trial, if he probably needs appointed counsel so that we can get the video over to attorney counsel, since it's going to be an ID issue.
Yeah, you're right. A little 2-person docket turned into an hour-long situation this morning.
We're just getting started.
I need you to call the courtroom. It's all right. It happens to the best of us. I need you to. Can you afford counsel? I would talk to my child seriously and have a long talk about responsibility and about what happens when this happens. Because now, what a tangled web we weave. Because he's not before me right now. You are, because this is your ticket with your license number. So whether it's written wrong or how it was done, now we find ourselves in this predicament.
Will I be able?
So I'm gonna have you call the courtroom. You ready to? I'm gonna have him come back January 16th instead, because I need to make sure counsel is appointed, and then at that point in time we can turn over documents and everything. So, I need him to call the courtroom though. Ready to take down the phone number?
Hold on 1 second.
Yep.
What is it? The sound went out. Oh.
You ready, Mr. Wilder?
Yes.
313-729. That's no 313-965-2293.
And what is this?
this is my courtroom. So we had to take some personal information so we can get you counsel, so that we can have them see the videotape to figure out who it is. I'm sure what it looks like is that he was driving a car either that was registered to you or that it was your vehicle, and they ran the plates and it came back to you. And so he's really the one participating in this particular, it looks like this particular behavior, and somehow it got all twisted. Huh?
Yeah, he tried to handle it, but it was all mixed up with me in it. So then that's not like, how am I in there?
He ain't trying to handle nothing. He ain't been in my courtroom. I got a whole warrant out for him.
Yeah, he said he called, and they said it wasn't him. It was me when he gave him his license number. So I was like, it wasn't me.
He was supposed to be here February 21st. He ain't never make it.
Okay, yeah. Well, I'm on him.
So now we have to have counsel so that we can see video, so we can see what took place and what happened. Because it sounds like the officer just took the information from the license or whoever it's registered to and gave them a ticket. I don't know if it's because he didn't have a license or what happened that day. And I don't know because I haven't seen the video. So now we got to get you an attorney so that way we can be able to see what's going on and what's happening. So call the courtroom so we can get you assigned counsel, and I'll have you come back January 16th of 2024 at 8:30 a.m. so that we can have counsel assigned to you. Okay?
Your Honor,
Yes.
is there any chance he could pay his reinstatement fees before then?
Yes. Yes, he can.
So I can.
I think what it's really gonna be though is like once we take off the warrant and the warrant's lifted, then they'll allow him to be able to do that.
Okay. And they'll be lifted this morning.
Got my license, and it's like I'm going through a hard time right now.
I hear you, I understand. And so we can try and make it quicker, but I have to get counsel appointed now because we have to see videos. You should make your son come sit with you before all this process and see what happens.
Okay. So January 16th?
Via Zoom, but call the courtroom so we can get that information, okay?
Nah, soon we hang up, can I call now? And
Yep, you can call right now.
all right, do I still have to come down and do fingerprint?
Yes, unfortunately. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You can say, I mean, hold on a minute. Don't come down. I'm gonna take the heat on this one, Mr. Wilder. Don't worry about it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So
I'll set that as a pre-job. That concludes this hearing. Bond set at $0 personal.
So would I be able to go to Secretary of State today and
we're gonna put that as not. We had somebody else who had this similar issue. I don't know. Because they missed the court date too. And then the Secretary of State's office was asking them about what ended up happening. And we set it for a pretrial date. And that seemed to be able to, but they never called back the courtroom. So I'm not sure.
Okay, because I work for a rental car company and I've been laid off since this incident. So, but I'm not fired. I'm just laid off until I get it handled.
Right. Until you can get it. That is. I was about to say your license. When you call, can you have your license out so that my clerk can talk to you about the license number in the file?
Yes.
Yeah, because the other one is different. It has last different digits, 3 digits. I'm pretty sure. I give you permission to pay the clearance fee on this so that you can get your license back, okay? I'm gonna put on a ticket, okay?
How much is that?
So that's $45.
Okay.
Permission.
There.
To pay. Now that should help for real, okay?
Okay. Do I pay that there or Secretary of State?
This is going to be to 36th District Court. So this is something you're going to have to go online and pay or physically come down here and pay. It's a little quicker when you do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you should be able to, after that, access and at least get your license unsuspended and then come back and handle the rest of the matters. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right.
All right.
Make sure you have your ID though, so we can make the license, so we can make sure that we have the right information in the computer system. Okay.
All right. Now, good time to call is
Right now, when you hang up, just call. My clerk is here. It's directly to my courtroom. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir. All right. We ready on Mr. Yancey?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay.
I
All
might
right.
need to, can I speak to him one moment in the
You
breakout
can.
room? I'm sorry.
You can. It's okay. Let me open the rooms. Officer, don't go back to the room. It's gonna say, it's gonna ask you to join. Don't join it, officer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead. It's ask you two to join it. Mr. Yancey, join that room for with Attorney Faulkner, okay?
We're ready, Your Honor.
I don't hear her. Is she talking to me?
Put yourself on mute.
I'm not Mr. Yancey. Give me one.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Allen Campbell Yancey. The third, this is ticket number SP 1476085, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1476485, count one, expired plates. Ticket SP 1476008, failed to stop for a stop sign. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Alan Campbell Yancey.
Your Honor, there's an offer to dismiss the no insurance and expired plates. And the stop sign is to be reduced to 1 to 5 over.
All right. Is that your understanding, Mr. Yancey?
Yes, Your Honor.
For the record, this is a day and set for a bench trial, so we have officer present today. Officer, can you state your name for the record?
Officer Furnace, badge 1561.
Thank you. All right. So at this time, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis, counsel?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you stipulate the probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced charge of speed 1 to 5 over speed limit. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
I just paid I'm just getting back to work, Your Honor. If I can get maybe 3 weeks, an extra week, I can definitely get that done.
February 13th.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
Okay. I know, no problem. Okay. You did end up paying that other ticket. You had another case with me that was set for
Yes, Your
review
Honor.
today. They ended up closing it out. It was you ticket 520-10419. You were on a reduced charge of disorderly conduct. It's my understanding from your attorney that you did complete the HIV STI testing. You did take the misdemeanor morality class. Did you complete the community service or no?
Yes, I did. I did the community service, the HIV test. I took the class and paid the fee.
Yep, and we do have in the computer system that he paid the fine. So that matter has been closed out. Okay, Mr. Yancey?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And so I'll give you until February 13th to make this payment of $125 because you've been taking care of business. Okay?
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you so much.
No problem. All right. If
Yes.
there's nothing further, you are all set, Mr. Yancey. All right. You have a good day. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
He was in a hurry to get off that phone.
Wasn't he? We only have one more person, but it's 10:15, Attorney Faulkner, and they haven't signed in. So Carl Washington. So I'm not gonna worry about it. That's
Okay,
gonna
well, if you
include this
don't worry
morning's
about it,
docket.
you don't worry about it, I won't worry about it, Judge. Okay.
All right, I understand. We trying to figure out that other